So guys, in this video I will show you a new feature is bulk SMS, like broadcast messages. So here is the fifth icon, bulk messages. I will click on this button. So I will show this interface, and here is the two option in the left sidebar. The first option is a new campaign. So in this section you will send a messages or schedule a messages or extract the numbers or all the things you can do that here. And in the second option is a report, so you can check the report. So I will start the demonstration. So first of all, if I have a number and I will copy into Excel and paste it out, so I will also do that. So right now I am entering a mobile number. Like first you need to know, you always need a country code about the number. Okay, so I will add a country code. After that I will type a number. Here is the number. And if you need to add many more number, you need to add a comma and add a numbers. Okay, so I have only one number right now. And here is message type option. So I will add a message. So I will select template, click on select template option, and I have a template I will demonstration in last video, so you can check it out. So here is the message type, and when I click on, I will add a sending delay. So you can set a delay according to your needs. Okay, and here is schedule options. So you can schedule a broadcast. So like if you have a 500 messages or something like that, so you can schedule a broadcast or like something anniversary or birthday, any wishes like that for a specific time. So you can use this schedule broadcast option according to your need. Okay, so I will choose a date and time. So right now it's a 5:32, so I will choose a 5:34 option. Okay, and click on schedule broadcast. So okay, so when I go to here, when the time is done 5:34, this message goes to this person on the time. Okay, first thing is you need to type or paste the numbers. The second thing is, if you have a numbers in a raw data in a CSV format, so you can choose a CSV files here. So if I will check, I have a CSV file. I will check if I have a number, like it's a 222 rows. I will check this. It's only name and the numbers. I have only 2 columns, so I will copy, choose a phone number row, and here is the, if I want to send a number with message with personalized message, like you can check that here is the personalized message. So you can choose this column, otherwise you can click on none. Okay, so I will choose click on all, and I will go to next button. So here is the all numbers with the country code and their name also. Okay, so if you want to remove unwanted rows, so you can click on it, click on that and remove. Okay, so right now I have no, I not want to remove any rows, so I will click on start upload. Okay, so I have all the means numbers. If I want to remove, I will click on that, like that. I want to remove this, I will click on this, so the number is removed from here. Okay, so I have right now I have 220 numbers in selected. So when I have 2 variables like phone number and the name. So when I enter a message, so when I enter a message, I will use a variable like a name, so the message is gone with their name. Okay, like that you can use this feature. Okay, another feature is select broadcast. In the broadcast you have so many features like a contact. If you want to send an individual person to, like if you save a mobile number in your phone and you want to find their number, because not everyone remind their numbers, like so that, so I go to here and type their name. So I click on that and add a contact, so their number is appeared here. Right, so right now I have so many contacts. So if I not remember their name, I will find by their name also. Okay, and the second option is group contacts. So if you have a group and you want to send messages to group in individual chats, okay, so I will choose a group. So in this group I have a 4 numbers, so they're all numbers with their name. Okay, and for this type I have another group, like for it's a freelancing network group. So I will add a group So they are all the numbers like a 314 number in the group. So all the numbers are here. Okay, so you can check it out. And if you want to download that number, here is the download option. So number extract from the groups feature. And right now I have deleted all the numbers. The third option is a tab. So I have a tab in 2, like I will already show you in any video. Like here I have a 2 tabs I will create from here. So I will already show you this. So I go to here and click on the broadcast select and click on tab select. So I choose any tab and click on that. So there are 2 numbers showing here. Okay, then I have another feature is a Kanban board. So I go to Kanban board. Here is my all CRMs like a SAS CRM. So I will already show you once. I will show again. So I go to open Kanban feature. I go to menu, and here is the CRM. Like you can create a new CRM, and here is the only one stage is lead for SaaS product. So I go to here and I open this and click on the Kanban and SaaS CRM and choose a stage and add context. So in the column all the stages in the stage all the contexts are appear here. Okay, like that you can choose a contact from labels. Like I have a label's name is look interested in WhatsApp CRM. So I add label context, and here is all the numbers from this will show you. Okay, so right now here is all feature. So here is the download option. So if you want to extract the number from the groups or tabs or Kanban or labels, so you can click on the anyone else and add into the chat box and click on the download. So their number will be downloaded successfully without any issue or without any errors. So when I click on this, there all the numbers with their phone number is downloaded successfully. Okay, and here is these features. And another feature is allow repeat phone number. If you have a raw data and you want to send to repeat the phone number and send messages, then you can click on this toggle key. If not, you can off this. Here is the link preview action. So if I send a YouTube video or something else, so we know that we share a thumbnail also YouTube videos. So if I enable this, so when message is sent, so the link previews appear. Group action. So if you want to add into groups, like if you choose if you want to send messages to like persons in bulk, so if you want to add into a groups or something like that, so I will show you a demo. When I here I will enter a name like 91 and the number 742603848. Okay, I will copy this number and here I will add it to group. Choose a group, or like I have a group in sunudaysolar.in. I choose this group and confirm section. Okay, so and I will write here the name, and also I will allow enable link preview. So I will click on this, and right now I type a message like hello, I'm Kuldeep. Okay, and also I will add a YouTube video link. So I go to YouTube and choose a YouTube video link. For the demo purpose, I choose any link. I copy this and paste it here. Like here is video. Okay, and copy this link. Or when I send this, then click on quick start, then the message is sent successfully to Kuldeep on the my all the list. Okay, so when this is done, here is the you can check sending message options. So you can go to here and check this. So I will pause this and show you message. So I go to here, and here is the like message, hello Kuldeep, because it's a preview is not showing right now, but it's take time to load a preview. I will stop the campaign. So here is the report option. I will go to here. Here is the campaign is cancelled. Okay, so you can check it out. Right now I have a custom add feature. Like in the previous video I will show you a quick reply, so this feature is I already show you, so you can check it out. In this video I will show you add into a label or something like that, or Kanban also. Okay, so I will add a number. Okay, so it's a 91. And here is the test message, and add into label. Select a label. On label name is digital SMS.biz. Okay, I will choose this label, and also the message sent with the signature options. Here is the signature. I will already open this. Okay, so I will click start. So after that, when this campaign is successfully, you can pause this campaign, or if you want to, the message is sent successfully. So I will show you the chat. So I go to here is the signature with the text message, and this person is also added in the label. So I go to here, and I will check. First I remove the name, blur the unname. So I do this, and here is the label. So you can check, here is the digital SMS.biz label connected. Okay, so this is the way. So I do a blur name another time, and click on bulk SMS. In this time I will already show you label. Right now I will show you a Kanban dashboard. Okay, so I will add a number another time, like 74260384448, or here is the test2 message, and add into Kanban. Right now I will show you this feature is also like a skip bulk message. This message is not sent, and only the action is due. So I will I will remove into some stage, like here is the SAS and here is the lead product. So right now I am already added in this tab. I will already show you. So I will remove this chat into this stage. Okay, so I will click on quick start. So right now this person is added in the CRM, and when the message goes to this chat is automatically, like the message is sent successfully, but message is not sent because I already skip this message, already do action. So here is the remove, and I also show you report, like the message is sent completed successfully. Okay, so I will show you all the features here. Like here is the random message for each contact, add message like one message or two message, but here is the message type, like image, videos, document, audio, contact, poll, or product, something like that. And I will show you the also schedule messages. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you have any questions regarding bulk messages, you can tell me. Thank you.